Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're getting the something went wrong error on Robinhood, this is a generic error but it's usually easy to fix. First of all, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, find the Robinhood app and then swipe it away. Then you're going to reopen it. Now you're going to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. Next, head over to your app store, search for Robinhood Trading and Investigating and update it. Login or something went wrong issues happen because you are using some outdated version of the app. Updating it ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so always make sure to update your app. Then you're going to log out and log back in of your account. To log out, click on your profile, go to the three-line menu and then click log out. After that, click on login and then enter your email and password and then log in. This will refresh your session. Temporary errors often fix themselves with a quick refresh, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.